for today's video, we are going to be doing another Louis Vuitton unboxing. I am so excited about this. Before we get too far into the video, I wanted to share my nails that I currently have on. I don't usually wear nails because of my work, but I'm going on vacation, so I wanted cute nails. So I put these nails on and check them out. I just feel like they're so pretty. They have a like 3D holographic effect. They're by Kiss and they're just glue on, but I'm so obsessed. If you're interested, I think I got these at CVS or at Walmart. My friends joke with me and they say I'm like the Kiss ambassador because I love the Kiss nails, and especially the Kiss stick-on and press nails and the short. Those are my like go-tos. Anyways, so let's get started with today's video, and we are going to be doing another Louis Vuitton unboxing. I have been eyeing this bag for so many months now. I first saw it when I was in Maui, and I just think it is exactly the bag that I'm looking for, and it has everything that I'm wanting in a bag. And if you are interested in content like this, overall I like to do good reviews for you and show you different handbags and luggage related, travel related things. I would love to have you subscribe along and join the family. Otherwise, let's get started. All right, so this box is quite big, so I'm just gonna open it up, and it comes in the dust bag as usual, and I'm so excited. This is the Louis Vuitton Grand Palis Monogram Empreinte leather tote bag, and she is so beautiful. I think she is such a perfect size to use as a daily bag, but also she can be a tote bag to bring to work. This is what the side looks like. Here's the back is also the very large empreinte leather with the Louis Vuitton and the fleur-de-lis designs. Here's what the bottom looks like. Unfortunately, she does not have any feet. And the top, here's what the handles look like. It's this rolled handle. All of the hardware on this bag is so gold. It's like amazing. So here's what the zipper looks like up close and personal. Even on here, the removable shoulder strap is. This is also super gold, as you can see. Everything, like the hardware on here, it's like the extra gold color. It's sort of, it reminds me of the Speedy 20 in terms of the goldness of the gold. I know there's like different levels of gold. So this empreinte leather, this is my very first Louis Vuitton leather bag, and I have finally made the jump. If you've been following my channel, I absolutely love the canvas, but then when I saw this, my husband and I were kind of, at first, when I first saw this bag, to be honest, I wanted the canvas one, just because I just love the canvas. And then the more we were looking at it in the store, my husband actually thought this looked better. It's like, I like how professional it looks, and I like how the black, it's more of a subtle Louis Vuitton look. I know there's this like giant Louis Vuitton here, but from far away, I feel like it's more of a subtle, more sleek looking professional bag. And then just having these like little details with the really shiny gold, I think the black and the gold together, it just looks so good, I feel. So he convinced me to get the black one, and so here we are with my very first empreinte leather Louis Vuitton bag. This is a cowhide green leather. If you like this, this also comes in the leather turtle dove color. That's also like a very pretty, very neutral color. The leather versions also come in a bi-colored version where the Louis Vuittons and the fleur-de-lis are highlighted so they stand out a little bit more. And then this bag also comes in the regular canvas monogram with the untreated vachetta leather handle and strap. What else about this bag? This is the Grand Palis size, the one that's a little bit larger. There's one that's a little bit smaller. It's called the Petite Palis if you want one that's just a little bit smaller. The sales associate in the store told me that this bag is about the same capacity as the Speedy 30. And then I also brought out my my on-the-go tote in the MM size, and they are pretty similar in size. The way I'm holding it right now, the on-the-go might look a little bit bigger, but when I was packing it, they're pretty close in size, and then the on-the-go might hold a little bit more just because the top is open. But what I absolutely love about this bag, so this bag is such a perfect tote size. It's a really good size. I really like how there's still the top handle. I absolutely love, and I'll show you, but there's so much organization in this bag. I can't believe it. And so I love how the main compartment is fully zippered. And I also just like the little detail that they included this little name tag with this padlock. I just think that just gives it a like little elevated, little cutesy type of look. So the size measurements of this bag, 13.4 inches in length. The height is 9.4 inches, and then the width is a little under 6 inches in width this way. Like I said, there's no feet at the bottom, and I love the gold hardware, and I think it complements the black so perfectly. It looks so elevated in my mind. I think the black and gold combo is just so pretty. So when you have this bag, you can wear a couple different ways. You could either wear it as a top handle like this. You could put it on the crook of your arm and wear it this way. But what's nice is that this bag also comes with a removable and adjustable leather strap. So on the handles, there's this special place where you can put it on one on each side here and back here on the handles. And as you can see, it's completely adjustable. And the shoulder strap is this really soft leather strap. And then what's really nice about it is this leather strap is completely adjustable. So you can see there's all the holes. I currently have it on the shortest setting because I'm on the petite side. But you can see there's all these holes. And what's nice about it is you can see there's this little strap holder thing. So I can move it all the way down to the end, so then the tail is not like flapping out. The Speedy bandolier strap this part is not adjustable. So this part is like always sticking up and out like that. But what's nice is I can move that down, and then now it's like attached to the main strap. But anyways, I'm really happy, and I like that it comes with this shoulder strap that's adjustable and removable. And so when you open it up, there are like 3 big compartments. There's the main compartment that is zippered, but what's also nice is that on the front side, there is this external pocket that's hidden. Because when you look at it from the front, you can't really see that there's this pocket, but there is this pocket it's kind of open, but it's spacious, and it can hold a lot in there. It can hold your phone, keys, mask, whatever like quick access stuff that you want. It's in there, and it's lined with this really pretty, really soft burgundy red microfiber lining. And then also on the back side, there is another one. So there are 2, they're identical. See, there's another one there. So there's 2 like hidden external pockets, if you can see. And then there's the zippered main compartment. So now let's go to the inside. So the main compartment is fully zippered. And as you open it up, what I really like about it is you can see that the zipper goes all the way down and around the side. So there's this really long tail. And that allows it so where you can open up the bag like completely wide open, and you have full access to see everything that's inside the bag. And this tail part, you can see there is this little button piece here. And then so you can button it to the bag. And then so that way it's kind of attached like that. And that this tail isn't like flapping out. But then when you go inside, it's a very spacious, it's this really beautiful, really super soft burgundy red color. You can see it says Louis Vuitton Paris right there on the little name tag. There is a like very nicely sized zippered compartment here. I just have the keys in there that goes with the padlock. With this padlock, I put the keys in there. But this pocket is very spacious, where you can put a wallet. You could probably, my cell phone would easily fit in there. And then in front of the 2 zippers, you have 2 flap pockets. So there's one there, and then here's another one. And these are like a pretty good spacious size. There, you can see the zippered pocket and then the 2 pockets there. And then when you flip it around on this front part, there's also a large open flap pocket. And this is also very sizable, where you could put quick access things. And then otherwise the rest of the bag is just an open tote. So I'm obsessed with all these pockets, and I just really like how much organization there is in this bag. And honestly, like the leather is so soft, but this microfiber interior lining is super soft. I really like it a lot. And when I was looking at this leather version versus the canvas version in the store, when I saw the inside of the bag with the microfiber lining, compared to the canvas version has just the red textile lining, and it was such a big difference for me. Like this microfiber lining feels so luscious. It's more of a, it has more of like higher quality, a luxurious feel, and that's really what made me want to go with this one over the canvas one. The canvas one, it was just very textile. It felt kind of cheap on the inside with the textile lining, but this microfiber one, just like, it was above and beyond. I am so in love with it because it just feels, this feels like a luxury bag to me. And overall, I'm super excited about adding this bag to my collection. I want to use this bag for some time, and then I will make a like full review for you in terms of what my thoughts are. But I did want to get this video up for you because I noticed that there aren't a lot of videos that really show this bag, and when I was debating on looking at it. So I did want to put this video up for you and share it with you in case you were deciding on getting this bag as well. Overall, I'm super excited. I can't wait to use this bag. I think it's going to be my new favorite, like all-time favorite Louis Vuitton bag. We will see. But anyway, so be on the lookout if you're wanting a review, but just please give me some time because I do want to use it so I can give you an accurate review. But overall, it's a very well-made, very luxurious bag. I'm super glad that I have it in my collection. And so that's pretty much it. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you're doing well. I'm super excited that spring is right around the corner. And so I will see you guys next time. And if you like content like this, I would love to have you subscribe along and join the family. Please comment down below, especially if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time.